Dear students, today we will study about binary addresses in an operating system. So let us understand binary addresses. Now these addresses deals with the memory locations. So a computer system assign the binary addresses to the memory locations. In generally, a system uses amount of bits to represent a address in memory location. Now suppose we have used one bit. Now this one bit we can address two memory locations. Using 2 bits, that is 2 की power 2, we can address 4 memory locations. Using 3 bits, we can address 8 memory locations. Now here two things are most important, that is number of bits and its corresponding range. So a pattern can be identified in the mapping that is performed by an operating system between the number of bits in the address and the range of the memory locations. Now as we know that one bit can be represented as 2 की power 1, that is 2 memory locations, and 2 bits, that is 2 की power 2, that is equal to 4 memory locations. 3 bits, that is 2 की power 3, that is 8 memory locations. And for n bits we can get a general formula, that is 2 की power n memory locations. Now how these bits are represented is, let us see by the diagram. We have 1 bit, we have 2 bits, and we have 3 bits. Now with 1 bit we address 2 memory locations, that is one is 0 and another one is 1. Now with the help of 2 bits, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, so we can get 4 memory locations. These are the 4 addresses of the memory locations on which the data will be saved. Now using 3 bit locations we will address 8 memory locations. Now let us see. 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. So these are four locations, that is 2 की power 3, that is 8 memory locations are there, and this is the octal number system. Now one thing we have to know, that suppose we have a page number, that is of k bits, and we have n minus k bits. So that is the size of page. As in the previous lecture I have told you what is paging, in which the memory or process is divided into frames and pages. So here 2 की power n equal to 2 की power n multiplied by 2n minus k. So this formula is used by the operating system to divide a process into number of pages. Now how the data will be saved in a memory? So you have to understand a concept of word. So what is a word? We can say that it is the smallest unit of the memory, and it depends upon how the operating system uses the binary address. As we know that we have 8-bit operating system, we have 16-bit operating system, we have 32-bit operating system, and nowadays we are getting 64-bit operating system. So this is the word length, and this is the smallest possible word that can be saved in a memory of a computer. Now we can also say that it is a collection of bytes. Every operating system define different word size. For example, in Windows we have a different word size, in Macintosh operating system we have different word size. After analyzing the n bits address that is inputted to the decoder and 2 की power n memory locations that are produced by the decoder. So hope you have understood this binary address, how the mapping is done in an operating system. Thank you very much.